today's video, we're talking about how to create a staging site on Kinsta and safely test plugin updates without breaking your live website. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever been nervous to update plugins because you're afraid your site might crash, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand what a staging site actually is, why it matters so much for WordPress websites, and how Kinsta makes this process super simple even if you're not technical. This is really important because plugin updates are one of the most common reasons websites break, and having a safe place to test changes can save you time, stress, and lost traffic. Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and start off with the basics and talk about Kinsta. So Kinsta is a managed WordPress hosting platform designed to make running and maintaining a WordPress website easier and more reliable. Instead of you handling server settings, backups, and performance tweaks on your own, Kinsta manages a lot of that behind the scenes. One of Kinsta's most useful features is built-in staging environments. A staging site is a copy of your live website that lives in a private space. It looks and functions like your real site, but visitors will never see it. This just allows you to test plugin updates, change themes, or design tweaks without touching your live site. If something goes wrong, your real website stays safe and untouched. Let's talk about some of the key features. So first off is the built-in staging environments. Kinsta includes staging sites directly in your hosting dashboard. You don't need to install a plugin or manually clone your site. With just a few clicks, you can create a staging version of your website that mirrors your live site. This staging site is isolated from your production site, which means changes made there won't affect real visitors. This feature is especially helpful for beginners who don't want to deal with complicated setups. Next is one-click push to live. So after testing changes on staging, Kinsta actually allows you to push those changes back to your live site. This means you don't have to redo work manually or copy files by hand. You test first, confirm everything works, and then apply the changes when you're ready. This reduces the chances of mistakes and makes updates feel so much safer. Next is automated backups. So Kinsta creates automated backups of your site. This adds an extra layer of protection when you're testing updates. If something unexpected happens, you can restore your site to a previous version as well. Knowing backups exist makes experimenting and learning way less stressful. Separate environments for safety. Your staging site and live site are treated as separate environments. This means plugins, themes, and settings can be tested without risking real customer data or site functionality. This separation is what makes staging such a powerful tool, especially as your site grows. Now, why testing plugin updates actually matters. Plugin updates are important for security, performance, and just compatibility, but they can also introduce issues. Sometimes a plugin update conflicts with another plugin. Other times it breaks a feature or changes how something looks. Testing updates on a live site means finding out the hard way. A staging site lets you see problems before your visitors do. This protects your brand, your content, and your overall peace of mind. Okay, now here's exactly how you can create and use a staging site on Kinsta. If you don't already have a Kinsta account, we do have a link down in the description below. Step number 1 is to open your site on Kinsta. So log into the dashboard, select your website you want to work on. You'll see options related to environments and site management. Step number 2 is to create a staging environment. So inside the site settings, choose the option to create a staging environment. Kinsta will generate a copy of your live site. This usually takes a few moments. Once it's ready, you'll see a clear option to switch between your live site and the staging site. Step number 3 is to access the staging site. Switch to the staging environment. This is where you'll go ahead and do your testing. You can log into WordPress just like you normally would. Everything should look familiar because it's just a copy of your live site. Step number 4 is to update plugins safely. So inside the staging site, go to your plugins section, update the plugins you want to test. You can update one plugin at a time or several, depending on what you're checking. After each update, check key pages on your site, look at your homepage, contact form, checkout pages, and anything important to your business. Step number 5 is to review and test functionality. Click through your site as if you were a visitor. Test forms, buttons, menus, and layouts. Make sure nothing looks broken or behaves strangely. If something goes wrong, you can troubleshoot without any pressure because your live site is still untouched. Step number 6 is to push changes to the live site. So once everything works as expected, go ahead and return to the Kinsta dashboard. Choose the option to push the staging environment to live. Confirm the action, and Kinsta will apply the tested changes to your production site. That's it. You've safely updated your site without risking any downtime. Now that you understand exactly how to do this, let's touch on some common mistakes that people make without staging. Many site owners update plugins directly on their live site because it feels faster. This often leads to panic when something breaks. Another mistake is updating everything at once without testing. If multiple plugins update and something goes wrong, it's harder to know which one caused the issue. Some people also skip backups, assuming nothing will go wrong. Staging plus backups gives you 2 layers of protection. Using staging removes most of these risks. Now, when you should always use staging. You should always use a staging site when updating major plugins, changing themes, or adding new features. If your site accepts payments, collects leads, or represents your business publicly, staging is not optional. It's part of a running responsible website. Even for small blogs, staging helps you learn and experiment without fear. Now, we're going to touch on the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of Kinsta staging features is simplicity. You don't need to install extra tools or understand server setups. Everything is built in and easy to access. Another benefit is peace of mind. Knowing you can test changes safely makes website maintenance feel way less intimidating, especially for beginners. Now, on the downside, staging does require an extra step. It takes a bit more time than updating plugins directly on your live site. Another consideration is that staging environments still need attention. You need to remember to push changes to live and keep things organized. Overall, the trade-off is usually worth it for the added safety. Now, let's go ahead and look at the different plans and pricing options. So again, if you want to use our link down below, we'll go ahead and click view pricing. They've got a couple different options here, but we've got the monthly and the annual. So I'm going to go over the annual so you can see how you can get 2 months free. Okay, so for single sites, again, you can get started for $0 for the first month, and then it goes to $30 per month paid annually. And this also depends on the amount of bandwidth you need. So just keep that in mind that this is the lowest one. You get 1 WordPress install, 20 gigabytes of server bandwidth, free migration, 10 gigabytes of storage, and 14-day backup retention. If you need larger server bandwidth, the price will go up. So just something to keep in mind. Then they've got for multiple sites. So if you're a site owner and you need more than 2 websites, this is going to be the plan for you. So again, it depends on your bandwidth, but the lowest amount would be $59 per month billed annually. And with this, you get 2 WordPress installs, 40 gigabytes of server bandwidth, 250 gigabytes of CDN bandwidth, 20 gigabytes of storage. But again, if you're increasing, so does the price. And lastly is the agency plans. This is starting at $284 per month. With this, you get up to 10,000 hosting credits, listing in our agency directory, unbranded WordPress admin experience, and access to account management. Again, if you need 1 site, you'll go for this plan. If you need multiple sites, you'll go for this one. And if you are an agency, you can go ahead and contact them here. A few bonus tips before we wrap up. So first, you want to try to update plugins 1 or 2 at a time instead of everything at once. This is just going to make it easier to identify the issue. You also want to keep a simple checklist of pages to test after updates, such as homepage, contact page, and checkout. Also, use staging for design changes too, not just plugins. Small layout tweaks can have big impacts, so make staging part of your routine instead of something you only use when you're worried. If you want a safe and simple way to manage WordPress updates, Kinsta's staging feature is a strong choice. It's especially useful if your site is important to your business or generates income. This setup makes sense if you want to avoid downtime, protect your site, and feel more confident making updates. If you rarely update your site or don't mind occasional issues, you might not feel the urgency for staging, but as your site grows, the value becomes clear. Staging is about prevention, not fixing problems after they happen. I know how stressful it can feel clicking the update button and hoping that nothing breaks. Using a staging site removes that anxiety and gives you a safe space to test changes before they go live. If you want to go ahead and check out Kinsta, don't forget to use our exclusive link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your very first website with simple tools and easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.